Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again, bringing you our Mattress Kingdom news special. This is the Nectar Lush, a hot special buy we just got from Resident Bedding, who owns Nectar. Awesome bed, but let's get into it. This is an awesome bed, guys. This comes in a box, actually. It takes about 24 hours to fulfill and just get all the air inside of the mattress, but this mattress is basically 3 different layers. First, you have 3 inches of cooling gel memory foam. So this is really cool to the touch. And on top of that, too, this cover is actually cool material. So it actually feels nice and cool when you first get in the bed. Underneath that, you have like a 2-inch Interjex memory foam that kind of gets you a little bit more support. Then underneath that, you have 7 inches of memory foam. So altogether, this one is 12 inches on the mattress. It's an awesome bed. And then the third of it, actually where most of your body is at, in the middle of the bed, a third of the memory foam that goes all the way across is actually cooling gel beads inside the memory foam. So it helps you keep cool at night. So guys, we're bringing this bed to you at $6.99. This is a bed and box, like I said before. So all of our locations are gonna have this that you can take with you. We're gonna have it in the queen size at $6.99. This one, the MSRP on the bed is $12.99. So $600 savings. It's an awesome bed. We just cleared out Nectar's factory. We bought about 1,000 of these. So we're able to bring those low price savings to you guys. You can take them home today. Awesome deal, guys. We're gonna sell the heck out of these. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.